that, Tony?
No.
No?
I used to like it around here.
Hi guys. Here's me and Tony. We're just driving around. Hello guys. Sumabay tayo sa uso ngayon ng law ng classroom law ni Kim Chiu. I have just made my version and I've just translated it to Tony in English, and he said I don't get any sense of what I was talking about. So here it is. It's in Tagalog.
Probably doesn't translate properly.
Doesn't translate properly.
No.
This is only just for fun, guys, ha. It's like this. Sa buhay mag-asawa, may batas. Bawal mga liwa. Oo, bawal mga liwa. Pero pag sinabi, pag nag-comply ka na bawal na mga liwa, pero may ginawa ka sa pinagbabawal nila, inayos mo yung law ng pangangaliwa mo at sinubmit mo ulit, ay pwede na pala ikaw mga liwa. That is just for fun.